हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवियन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of Indian economy. Today lecture is infrastructural development. Infrastructure infrastructure sector is a key driver for Indian economy. The sector is highly responsible for for propelling India overall development and enjoy intense focus from government for initiating policy that would ensure times bond creation of the world class infrastructure in the country. Infrastructure sector include power, bridge, dams, roads, and urban infrastructure development. India was ranked 44 out of 167 countries in the World Bank Logistic Performance Index. In 2018, India ranked second in the 2019 Emerging Market Logistic Index. Market size. Foreign direct investment received in construction development sector, township, housing, build-up infrastructure, constructions, development projects from April 2000 to December 2019 stood at 2.25.37 billion, according to the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. The logistics sector in India is growing at a CAGR of 10.5% annually and is expected to reach 215 billion in 2020. Investment. India has a required of investment 50 trillion in infrastructure by 2022 to have suitable development in the country. India is witnessing significant interest from international investors in the infrastructure space. Some key investment in the sector are listed below. Large investment in infrastructure has provided momentum to overall PEVC investment into India, which touches an all-time high, where infrastructure recorded 14.5 billion during 2019. The largest deal was Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, Public Sector Pension Investment Boards, and National Investment and Infrastructure Fund investments of 1.1 billion. GVK Airport Holding Limited. During April 2019 to January 2020, the cumulative growth of the eight core industries is 0.6%. As on 31 March 26.02 million households have got electricity connection under the Subhanga scheme. In June 2018, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank has announced $200 million investment into the National Investment and Infrastructure Funds. Indian infrastructure witnesses 91 worth of 5.4 billion in 2017. Government initiative. The government of India is expected to invest highly in the infrastructure sector, mainly the highway, renewable energy, urban transport. The government of India is taking very possible initiative to boost the infrastructure sector. Announcement in Union Budget 2019-20. India plan to spend 1.4 trillion of infrastructure in the next 5 years. NHAI will be able to generate of Rs 1 lakh crore from toll and wayside amenities over next 5 years. In the Union Budget 2020 to 2021, the Government of India has given a massive push to the infrastructure sector by allotting the rupees 169637 crore for the transport infrastructure. As per Union Budget 2020 to 2021, metro rail network has touched 657 km and Ministry of Railway has been allotted 72,216 crore. Communication sector allotted 38,637.46 crore to development of post and telecommunication department. The Indian Railway received allocation under Union Budget 2021 at Rs 72,216 crore. Thank you.